Now that you've automated your sales tax compliance with Kintsugi, you can also use Kintsugi as your tax engine in Stripe. To get started, we go back into Kintsugi, we go under Data Sources, and we click Enable Tax Collection. So that's our step taken care of on the Kintsugi side. If you go over to Stripe, you want to go to the Marketplace, discover more apps, and then search for Kintsugi. Now we're going to click on that and install it. You have the option to install in the live environment, meaning it will affect new invoices being generated, or you could install in a test environment. In this case, I am installing it in my live environment, and we want to install app. All right, now that the install is complete, we can close the window and go back to Stripe. Now that we're set up to use Kintsugi as the tax engine, let's see it in action. So we're going to go here to invoices. We're going to create a new invoice, select our customer, and then we are going to select a plan. Now I'm going to save. The reason I'm saving here is because that is what tells Stripe to ask Kintsugi for the tax rate. Because your data is already in Kintsugi and it knows where you're registered, Kintsugi will only apply sales tax where it's appropriate. So if we take a look here, we can see that our Platinum subscription was assigned a sales tax. One thing to note, when you create your products in Stripe, it is possible to create them with tax included in that price. Be careful not to do that, because if you've already included the tax in the price, you will not see it generated on the invoice.